Did you know that every Rolex GMT Master 2 bezel is crafted from a single block of ceramic with precision so exact that even the tiniest color flaw is rejected? Today, let me show you exactly how the Rolex GMT Master 2 is being made, from raw materials to the iconic watch you see on wrists worldwide. Achieving flawless color in ceramics is far from simple. The first successful two-tone ceramic bezel, the blue and black Batman, was only achieved in 2013 after dozens of prototypes failed. Rolex begins with the purest ceramic powders, sourced from specialized suppliers, ensuring every grain meets exact hardness and color standards. Unlike aluminum, which scratches easily, ceramic offers unmatched durability and a brilliant, lasting shine. Each batch is meticulously mixed and compressed into a solid block before firing at extremely high temperatures, transforming raw powder into the resilient material Rolex calls Kerachrome. Early experiments showed red could not form consistently, forcing engineers to refine chemical additives and firing cycles. By solving these challenges, they created a bezel capable of surviving decades of daily wear while maintaining striking color contrasts. Every GMT Master 2 bezel is now a precise fusion of science, craftsmanship, and relentless trial and error. Turning raw ceramic into flawless color demands extreme precision, and each Kerachrome bezel requires precise firing to achieve consistent colors, a process so exact that even minor variations are rejected. Rolex starts by shaping the compressed ceramic blocks into near-final bezel forms, carefully cutting grooves and curves before the firing stage. The inserts are then baked in specialized kilns at extremely high temperatures, which solidifies the material and sets the color. Achieving two tones in a single piece, like the blue and black Batman or the red and blue Pepsi, involves a patented method where portions of the bezel are masked and fired separately, ensuring the colors don't bleed or fade. After firing, the bezels are polished using diamond paste to bring out a brilliant glossy finish while maintaining precise markings for hour indicators. Every step is monitored with microscopic inspection, making sure each bezel meets Rolex's exacting standards before assembly. Then, crafting the dial defines both beauty and precision inside the watch. Ceramic dials first appeared in the GMT Master 2 in 2025. Marking a milestone in Rolex innovation. Each dial begins as a carefully milled metal base, polished to perfection before the color layers are applied. For ceramic dials, specialized pigments are fused directly into the surface, creating unmatched durability and depth of color. Hour markers and hands are then added, each coated with Rolex's chromolite luminescent material, ensuring legibility in complete darkness. Every detail, from the thickness of the markers to the exact shade of the hands, is scrutinized under high magnification lenses. The process balances artistry with precision, as even the slightest misalignment would disrupt the watch's functionality and aesthetic. Before leaving the workshop, every dial undergoes multiple rounds of inspection and adjustment, ensuring it meets Rolex's standard of perfection, ready to join the movement and case in the next stage. The heart of the watch demands unmatched precision and reliability. Each movement is tested for accuracy and durability over days, a painstaking process that ensures every GMT Master 2 meets Rolex's legendary standards. The assembly begins with the caliber 3136, now largely replaced by the upgraded caliber 3285, which introduces a Paraflex shock absorber and extends the power reserve from 48 to 70 hours. Tiny gears, springs, and wheels are hand-fitted under magnification, with technicians checking tolerances to fractions of a millimeter. Jewels are placed to reduce friction, and the escapement is calibrated to deliver precise beats per hour. Every component must synergize perfectly to maintain the dual time zone function of the GMT Master 2. After assembly, the movement is mounted in a test rig, simulating years of wear and environmental changes. Only after surviving these rigorous trials does it proceed to the case, ready to become the watch's beating heart. Next, the exterior craftsmanship must match the precision of the interior. The Jubilee bracelet has 5-piece links requiring precise assembly, a level of craftsmanship that defines Rolex's attention to detail. Cases and bracelets begin as raw blocks of steel, gold, or Everose alloy, machined to exact dimensions. Each component is then hand-polished and brushed to create a flawless, balanced finish, with light refracting perfectly across alternating surfaces. Oyster bracelets, with their 3 solid links, offer a sportier, robust alternative, while Jubilee emphasizes flexibility and elegance. Every clasp, pin, and screw is inspected under magnification to guarantee smooth operation and durability. polishing is not only aesthetic, overdoing it can compromise tolerances and water resistances. Once finished, the bracelet and case are paired with the movement and dial, checked for perfect alignment, and prepared to house the precision mechanics of the GMT Master 2. Two-tone bezels like the Batman were first achieved in 2013, marking a breakthrough in Rolex craftsmanship. Each Serichrome bezel is carefully aligned and fitted into the watch case by skilled technicians, ensuring the rotation is smooth yet precise, as any misalignment would compromise both function and aesthetics. The bezel's click mechanism is tested repeatedly, confirming that each 24-hour marker aligns exactly with the hour hand. Lubrication is applied sparingly to maintain longevity without affecting movement. Once fitted, the assembly undergoes visual inspection under magnification to detect even microscopic defects. Color consistency, surface polish, and edge finishings are all checked to guarantee flawless presentation. This meticulous integration transforms individual components into a unified functional masterpiece, blending mechanical precision with artistic design. Every GMT Master 2 bezel now not only tells time but also tells a story of relentless innovation. And assembling every part transforms precision pieces into a finished masterpiece. Rolex subjects each watch to shocks, vibrations, and temperature fluctuations to ensure the movement stays precise in all conditions. Chronometer certification is confirmed through timing tests, measuring accuracy to fractions of a second per day. Visual inspections accompany mechanical checks, scrutinizing case, dial, hands, and bracelet for any imperfections. The bezel's rotation is tested under repeated stress to confirm smooth operation without misalignment. Specialized machines simulate years of wear, while technicians handle watches manually to detect subtle defects. Only after surviving these rigorous trials does a GMT Master 2 earn the Rolex seal of quality. This process guarantees durability, precision, and reliability, making each watch not just a timepiece, but a resilient instrument built to perform anywhere. Every GMT Master 2 watch is individually pressure tested underwater, verifying water resistance to exacting standards. Every GMT Master 2 comes with its own certificate and serial tracking, ensuring authenticity and traceability for its lifetime. The final assembly begins by carefully placing the movement inside the case, followed by the dial in the hands, each aligned with microscopic precision. Technicians verify that the hour, minute, and GMT hands interact flawlessly with the bezel, confirming dual time zone accuracy. The case back is secured and the bracelet is attached, whether Oyster or Jubilee, and is checked for perfect tension and comfort. Each watch undergoes a last round of mechanical tests, visual inspections, and polishing adjustments. Even packaging is meticulously controlled, with each watch accompanied by documentation and certification that guarantees its origin and its quality. This final stage turns hundreds of intricate components into a cohesive, iconic timepiece, ready to leave Rolex's workshop and begin its life on a wrist somewhere in the world. If you could own any of Rolex's innovations, which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments.